This short presentation is one of a series about the knowledge transfer system I developed for Underdog Strategy. It's called the Worksheet System. Hello, I'm Laure Paquette, and I'm a professor of political science at Lakehead University. I teach Underdog Strategy. That means, what do you do to get what you want when you have no power and no money? This particular presentation is about Worksheet 1, Strategy. This is what Worksheet 1 looks like. Line 1, issue or problem. Line 2, goal. Line 3, core idea. And line 4, which is subdivided, for tactics. This presentation has 6 sections. It includes uses, definitions, instructions, tips, tips for simulations, and final checks. For Worksheet 1, there are 2 uses. First, it helps develop and manage an actor's strategy. This strategy could be your own. And second, it helps understand and take into account another actor's strategy. This can include collaborators or competitors. In section 2, we'll look at the definitions needed for the worksheet. For Worksheet 1, there are 5 definitions. First, what is a strategy? Second, what is an issue? Third, what is a goal? Fourth, what is a core idea? And fifth, what is a tactic? First, a strategy is an imaginative idea that coordinates actions. Second, an issue or problem are the circumstances that make change necessary. Third, the goal is a change that the strategy will bring about. Fourth, the core idea is a metaphor that makes the strategy easy to grasp. And 5, tactics are actions that move the strategy towards the goal. Let's look at section 3, instructions for completing the worksheet. For Worksheet 1, there are 5 instructions. First, use a few words to describe the problem. Second, use a few words to describe the goal. Third, write a full sentence with a metaphor that can be used as a slogan for the strategy. Fourth, make a list of all actions and then classify them into 3 to 5 categories. And fifth, give a title to each category, then list each category title here. In section 4, we'll look at tips to help you complete the worksheet. For Worksheet 1, there are 2 tips. First, if the core idea is hard to come up with, go to Worksheet 9. And second, make sure each of the components, issue, goal, core idea, and tactics, are closely related one to the other. In section 5 of this presentation, we'll look at tips specifically for filling out worksheets for the simulation. For Worksheet 1, there are 2 tips specifically for simulations. First, use both real-life and simulation events to complete this worksheet. And second, use all sources of information available: documents, verbal interactions, presentations, etc. In section 6 of this presentation, we'll look at final checks to make when you've completed the worksheet. For Worksheet 1, there are 2 final checks. First, if you have more than 6 categories for the tactics, classify them again. It's unusual. And second, make sure line 2 includes only 1 goal. It's very easy to slip in 2 or 3. You can find sample worksheets completed for the role-play simulations and a large number of real-life situations in the open access ebook Teaching Political Science, published by De Gruyter in 2015.